Hi guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. I know you all are very excited for today's video and so am I. And those who could make out from the thumbnail that what it is about, it's very good. For those who don't know what it is, let me tell you. So my today's video is how you can look in your 20s even if you are in your 40s. Now many people, they may have a contradictory statement on it, but people, those who are into yoga, into naturopathy and all, they will certainly relate to it, and I can vouch on it that it actually works, right? So guys, first thing, it's not only about your outer looks, about your beauty, about your presence, outer presence, it's how your inner body works. We are going to discuss all those points. The points which I'm going to discuss today, they are really simple, and it's not about just exercise and eating. Of course that we always do, but as I always say, yoga is not about exercise. It's a way of living. It's what you do, not just what you do 1 hour in your gym on your mat what matters, but what you do other 23 hours in a day. That is what matters. That is all about healthy lifestyle, right? So let's just start our video now. So guys, first and the foremost point which you need to keep in your mind is, like, this is a point which we have been listening since our childhood days. Our teachers, our parents, they always used to say, drink your solids and eat your liquids, right? Now this, even as a kid, like, we used to always get confused, how's that possible? That's what you have to do. Chew your food very nicely, very nicely. You have to chew it always, sit in a very quiet atmosphere when you are eating. Don't watch TV while eating your food, because that's how you eat more and you don't focus on what you are eating, right? So chew your food nicely, and yes, of course, drink water very slowly, because when you chew your food nicely, the enzymes, we all know that we have got digestive enzymes in our saliva, and if you chew your food nicely and drink water in a proper way, then that will help in better digestion in your body, right? So when we talk about water, right, so water is like, your body is almost 70% made of water. What you drink, how you drink makes a lot of difference, right? So first thing you have to do is, early morning when you get up, you have to drink water. That water should be like, even before brushing your teeth, you have to drink water. Now many people have problems in it. Few say after brushing, few say before brushing, but I suggest having water the moment you get up. Before even brushing, just have a glass or 2 glasses of water. When you are drinking water, you don't have to drink it while standing. We always try to sit in a squat position, right? If that is not possible for you, try to sit on a chair and then drink your water. Now next thing is, when you're drinking water, you don't have to gulp it. You don't have to drink it at regular, like you're just gulping like 2-3 glasses of water. Don't do that. Drink your water very, very slowly. One sip at a time, one sip at a time. That is the true and correct way of having water, right? And next thing is, always have your water at room temperature. Now we always say that many people, they drink warm water, cold water. That's fine early morning, and I also suggest having warm water and before sleeping also. But daytime, when you're having water, always try to have normal room temperature water. Now next point, which is like really important for you to keep in mind, is never ever drink water after your main meal, right? This, like everybody says, it works like a poison, and many people, they keep fighting, arguing on this topic. But guys, please understand, whenever you take your food, your digestive system, it produces a sort of heat energy in your body, and that heat energy works on your food, and it tries to digest your food. And just imagine, if you drink water on top of your meals, that energy, that heat which your digestive system is producing, you are just putting water in it, right? So when you put water on fire, what happens? So the fire will stop. But we don't have to do that. We want our digestive system to work properly and digest our food nicely. So never ever drink water on your main meal. You can have water like 2-3 hours, maybe 1 hour or half an hour also before your meals will work for you. That is the perfect time to have it. So never ever do that mistake of drinking water on your main meal, because then what will happen, the food which you have eaten, that will just rotten in your body. It will not be digested, and that is when all your internal problems of like constipation, of your bloating, all these problems will start, right? And that is why we say it becomes poison, because when it rotten, the food which is there inside your body will start rotting up. So please don't make this mistake. So our next point is, guys, the moment you have your food, you should always come and sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana I've already shared. I'll put the link there where you can go and check how to what is the right way of sitting in Vajrasana. So the moment you sit in Vajrasana, after having your food, all your body's energy, they are diverted towards your digestive system, towards your stomach, which helps in better digestion of your body. And never ever go for run or any physical activity, or go and take bath after your meals, because we have to actually support our body during this time after like food, so that it gets all the more energy to work on the digestion that particular time after your meals, right? So next point again, guys, is like very important, and that is the detox of your body. Now if you have got a dirty bowl in your hand, and if you keep adding good food or good fruits or juices in it, will you think that it will work for your body? No, it will not. So it's important that you clear your body from inside first, and then put healthy things into it. So detox is very important, and I know it's a big topic, and I'll cover it in my next video, how to detox your body and the best ways to detox. And it's not something very difficult. In fact, I suggest that you should detox your body daily, and you need not to go for those fancy detox waters or anything. Normal water will work in the best way for your body. So we'll cover this topic in our next video. Do detox your body daily. So guys, these are the simple points which you should always keep in mind, and if you practice these points regularly in your daily life, I can guarantee you a good and healthy life, and you can stay healthy for long. And please introduce these points to children especially, because this is like in yoga we say a way of living. So if kids adopt these things in their daily life, then they will never ever develop any sort of problem in their life, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed these simple tips with me. Keep practicing. Lots of love and wishes to you all.